Do you know we can moderate the string values in Python? Yeah, we can. I'm going to create a variable like name. I give it Naveen Saumya. Now I want to convert all these letters to uppercase, right? How can we? Give the name and call the method upper, right? Call the method upper. Now run it. Now you can see all letters in uppercase, right? As well as if you want to make these letters to lowercase, you should call the method lower, right? And run it. Now you can see all letters in lowercase. What is the white space? White space is the space before an O after the actual text. When you give the text like this, I keep the space like this and this after and beginning your text. You can remove this space with a strip method. The strip method removes any white space from the beginning or the end. After removing white space, you can see your output like this. Like this, without any spaces. You can't see any space at the beginning, at the end, right? Let's try it. I keep the space at beginning and the end like this and use strip and run it, but we can't show anything like that, but it's okay. That's the purpose of the method, right? We can replace the letters, right? Using replace method. This is the explanation, right? Wait. Replace method. This is the name. Right? Now I want to replace N with P. I want to replace N with P, right? Using this method, after using this, you can see You can see this, right? You can see this Paveen sound, right? Replace method. How can we apply this, right? This is the letter I want to replace with P, right? And this is the new letter. We want to apply instead of N, right? Now you can see Paveen Soumya, right? Using the split method, right? Split method. Using the split method, we can break this name into two parts. Separately we can see, right? Split. Wait for the explanation. We use split, right? Split method. Name is Naveen Soumya. After using the split method, you can see this. Right. Let's see it. See, Naveen Sound. It looks like a set, right? See, if you learned something from this video, don't forget to subscribe us, like, comment and share. Thanks for watching us.